There are lots of tools that are very useful for you as an agency owner in the OnlyFans space, but actually it's very easy to be caught up using way too many tools and overcomplicating your life, or not taking advantage of things that really help you move the needle. So today we're going to explain exactly what tools are essential for you as an OnlyFans agency owner in 2025. My name is Liam Turnbull, CEO here at TDM, and in the last 5 years, we've grown over 100 creators to the top 0.1%. Let's get into it. Before we continue, if you're finding this video valuable and you want to get in on the discussion, then linked in the description is our free Telegram community, where we essentially discuss all things OFM, from client acquisition to traffic to chatting. Don't miss out on the opportunity. Back to the video. Number one is nice and easy. It is a project manager tool. Now I can leave it open-ended for you to go out, do your due diligence and find what project management tool works best for you. For us here at TDM, we use Notion, and it's always been that way. It's not for us saying it's the only option or that it's better than anything else out there. For us, it's functional, it serves a purpose. We don't feel the need to change. You might find something else useful, but in any case, I would always have a project management tool. The most important thing here is to not get too caught up playing around with it and just wasting time. There are so many agency owners that I have either screen shared with or consulted with in the past that will show me this Notion that is super overcomplicated. How much time do you spend a day on this? How much time do you actually spend just working on the agency itself? And I find that people spend way too much time going into all the details, making it look pretty, adding unnecessary functionality. But at some point, if you want to scale, this is going to be an essential tool and it's useful for your team. So have a project manager, get to know how to use it, and make sure that it helps you actually grow the agency. Tool number two is going to be a CRM. Now, there are a few options out there. Here at TDM, we choose Inflow. That's not to say that the others aren't suffice, but for us, Inflow has been our choice. This is an essential tool from the beginning. As soon as you take on more than one creator, you are going to want to, in fact, even with one creator, you are going to want to get into the back end of a CRM to help you become more efficient managing data, managing staff, understanding analytics in a better way, and functionally just have an easier time operating your system. I think it's a non-negotiable. I'd get it from the beginning. Our preference is Inflow. Tool number three is going to be Telegram, which is a little bit of a difficult one because I also think that Telegram is a huge burden and costs you a lot of time and energy. It's very easy to get caught up. It's very easy to get scammed. It's very easy to waste time. The harsh truth about Telegram is if you look for value, you'll find it, but it will be the needle in the haystack. There will be a lot of bullshit surrounding that value. The best way to nip it in the bud, swerve the value, and benefit from the platform is to try and get yourself into as many verified groups as possible, and typically ignore the free ones. There are some exceptions. TDM Business is a fantastic example, which is linked in the description. But for the most part, there are a lot of people that have zero credibility, sharing an opinion, and potentially changing your direction in the agency without any real reason to do so. With all that said and done, it is a good networking opportunity. You can genuinely find a lot of value, especially in the verified earner groups. And more importantly, make sure that you join the TDM Business group. We're active in there. We'll help you out all day, every day. No extra cost, no upsells, just free value because we're good people. Linked in the description. Tip number four is going to be Capcut. Now, it's free, it's easy, it's simple, and any monkey can use it. And editing software is essential for your agency. You are a marketing agency, and you should, if you're doing your job properly, have your foot in with content production and actually helping in that process. Or at the very least, you should have an idea what's going on so that your team or the creator or whoever is handling that for you can be as efficient as possible. Capcut's essential for your team. I would definitely recommend. And finally, tool number five is Adspower. It's our preferred alternative to other anti-detect browser softwares like GoLogin or Dolphin Anti. Any of these will functionally do what they need to do, but they all have different interfaces and different costs. And for us, Adspower is actually a better alternative to Dolphin these days. Ultimately, it's an essential tool if you want to scale your agency. What it will do is hide your device ID, it will hide your IP, it will hide your geolocation. So when you're trying to run alternatives to OnlyFans like FanView or some other platform, multiple accounts across platforms like Reddit or X or even dating apps if you're looking to do that, this kind of tool is going to be absolutely critical. But in our view, any agency has a utility for an anti-detect browser software, and in our case, we recommend Adspower. I actually have one bonus tool for you guys, which is edits for Instagram. It's essentially just better access to insights, which in our view is great feedback. The biggest companies in the world thrive from their feedback loops. So take maximum advantage of all the feedback that you can get and all the insights that you can soak up. Help that to improve your content, reduce the time wasted, and ultimately increase your return on time invested into content. So with all that said and done, hopefully you found that valuable. I tried to keep it short, concise, and to the point. 5 of the best, most essential tools, and even a little bonus in there for you to help you be as streamlined and efficient as possible as an agency. If there are any follow-up questions or any tools that you think should have been in this list, let me know in the comments. We'll see you in the next video.